Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lidiana if you're new here, and if you've watched my videos before, just welcome back. I'm very excited. I'm vlogging in my parents' house today, so if you hear Zazu over there, just ignore him. He knows his name. Today we are reviewing the 10-inch Android tablet, which I'm so excited about. I got this one on SHEIN, which, yeah guys, if you didn't know, SHEIN has electronics and don't sleep on them. That's all I have to say. So I paid $78 for this set. It comes with the Android tablet, it comes with the keyboard, the mouse, and a pen. Oh my goodness. So reasons why I got it is because I actually want to start studying sleep medicine on the side just for fun. If you guys know me, you know I'm in digital marketing, so it's the complete opposite spectrum, but sleep medicine interests me so much. So I really want to get into it and just learn all about it. It just, oh my gosh, it fascinates me. Okay, so let's open her up. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is how the box looks like. It's a super easy way. Ooh, okay. So I got it in the color blue. They also had it in pink, I believe, and many other colors, but of course the blue one caught my attention. Okay, so this is how the packaging looks like. The baby blue is so cute. If you guys get it in the pink, please send me pictures of it because I was really debating on whether I wanted to get it in baby blue or pink. This is how the blue looks like. It comes in a protective case already, and it does come with a screen protective sticker because I do see it in the corner. I can't tell if it's a sticker or if it's like an actual screen protector, but so far loving that. Here is the pen that it comes with. It's just like a simple stylus. Not a huge fan of this. Seems a little cheap. I kind of don't like these type of styluses. I like an actual like pen that does things, but still love that it came with that. Here is the keyboard, which looks really nice. By the way, I did already open this. This one also came in a plastic. I just opened it because I got so excited. Like I needed to see everything was okay, which I'm happy. The packaging was very big and it was cushioned really well. So you guys can see it's the keyboard. I have my instruction manual, which I know I will be using this for the keyboard because I do not know how to connect that. I hope it's via Bluetooth. And I think you do have to charge it because it did come with a charger. This could also just be the charger for the tablet. So not sure, I gotta figure that out. And then it also came with a mouse, which is so cool. The mouse feels a little bit flimsy. It's okay. It's like a decent mouse. The keyboard looks really good. Let's actually open the keyboard up and see how it is. It's pretty good. I wouldn't say, oh look, it's already charged. I love that. I don't know if you guys can see the blue light, but it feels really good. It feels a little bit like plasticky and flimsy, but I feel like, you know, it does the job, I'm sure. The mouse definitely feels a little bit cheaper than the keyboard. And then the tablet, I feel like this tablet is not worth $80. I feel like it looks expensive. Let's turn it on. So it does have battery. I did already set it up a bit for you guys, and it's very user-friendly. So you just swipe up and you're in. As you can see, I'm gonna go and get on YouTube so you guys can see. You just connect it to Wi-Fi and it's as simple as that. You can go ahead and watch YouTube videos. I have my channel here and things that I've seen. It's a fast-paced device, which I love. And I mainly got it again so I can study, so I do plan on saving PDFs with this. It did come with 64 gigabytes. I'm not going to be using it so much for pictures or videos, which I'm really happy I'm not because I would take up 64 gigs like this. But I love the packaging. I love the color. It feels like it's really good quality. I think it's going to last long too. It doesn't feel like a cheap device. It feels really nice. So we're going to continue setting it up with the keyboard this time, which I was looking at the manual, and the manual is a little bit weird. Like this is the quick guide to turn off the tablet and restart it, but that's all it gave me. It didn't give me any other guide. And then we have the user manual for the keyboard, which looks like this. It has two sides that are both in English, which is very interesting as well. So it doesn't have many languages to work with, but it's okay. Let's set this beauty up. Okay, so I put on my glasses so I can actually read the user manual because I can't see without them. So it says, welcome to choose this keyboard. Welcome to choose this keyboard. It adopts wireless connection and scissors key structure, which will bring you a perfect input experience. Built-in rechargeable polymer lithium battery and charging indicator light. There is no action within 10 minutes. The keyboard will enter into sleep mode, resulting in low power consumption. Cool. Pairing instructions. So it says first thing to do is open the keyboard. we opened her up. Now we're going to press connect button for about 3 seconds. Okay, so first we're turning it on. Let's get the iPad open as well because I don't have the iPad, the tablet, the literal Android. By the way, guys, I didn't say, this is an Android 13. So it sounds pretty recent, maybe it isn't, but it sounds official, you know? I've never had an Android tablet before. I have had an Android like when I was younger. That was like my very first, no, that was like my second phone. I had like a little touchscreen Android. I loved that phone so much. Now that I think about it, it was probably so annoying to like text, but yeah, I was once an Android girly, fun fact. Okay, so I think this is paired via Bluetooth. Gonna go to connected devices, pair new device. We're going to turn the keyboard on. We're going to click connect for 3 seconds. Okay, and device name, oh no, 3.0 keyboard. So it's gonna be 3.0 keyboard, guys. I'm not screen recording this, I'm sorry. But okay, I think we did it. That was an interesting noise. So I'm gonna walk you guys through how I did it. I went to my settings, which is down here. I'm just gonna click it. So cute how it bounces. Then you're going to go to connected devices, Bluetooth pairing. You're gonna see a whole bunch of like options come out. Since I guess it doesn't show for me, let me see if I turn off my light. I'm sorry, you guys can't see anything. Is that better? Barely. Okay, so a whole bunch of options are gonna come up and you're just gonna click on 3.0 keyboard. So first step, turn your keyboard on. Next step, click on connect for about 3 seconds, as you can see. And then you're going to go ahead and click on settings, click on your paired devices, and then you're gonna click on 3.0 keyboard. So really, really awesome. So happy I was able to connect it. I am going to now see how it works because we've, again, never tried her out. So we're going to do that right now. Okay, so the mouse is a little bit sus. I don't know why. I'm just clicking on this button. There wasn't an instruction manual for this, but the on button is over here. So I think the mouse is just a little bit hard to work with. Okay guys, so we are going to test out the keyboard right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and let's search up just Mike Tyson, I guess, I don't know. Ta-da! It's working. So not sure if you guys can see. Oh, okay, so this doesn't work anywhere else. Trying to see how everything is. It works really good. I love this keyboard. Very happy with it. And the tablet, you already know I'm ecstatic about it. Guys, check the mouse before you judge it. Check the mouse before you judge it because there's no batteries in this thing. So how can I judge a mouse that has no batteries? You guys, it works. You guys see the mouse going crazy? Okay, so we're going to go on YouTube again. And this time we're gonna search up, let's just look up like Quaker flying. Quaker flying, and let's just put just something, you know. Ta-da! There you go. Okay, we're doing this. Wait, the scroll doesn't work. Stop. Did the scroll not work? So I'm trying to scroll down, and this part might be broken, which is really sad. Because this mouse was perfect. Wait, I got it to work. I think it was stuck, you guys. Wait, is it flipped backwards? Oh no, it's not. Okay, I just needed to literally like kind of abuse it. Like I had to like be like, argh. Okay, that worked. Glad that I was able to make it work. All right, so yeah, the mouse is pretty simple. You know, again, nothing fancy. I think it could be a little bit flaky, but all in all, amazing. Like 10 out of 10. So guys, there you have it. There is my first impression and review on the Android 13 10-inch tablet that I got from SHEIN. I am really, really satisfied and happy. And so far, my first impression is I'm excited to like use this thing up. I can't wait to study and watch YouTube videos and take notes on here. I'm really excited to just use this. I feel like it's also great to read on this. It kind of reminds me of a Kindle. You want something hundreds of dollars cheaper, definitely opt in for this. I'm so far really happy with it. It has 86% right now. I don't know when the last time it was charged, but I literally just got it in the mail today and I'm really happy with it. I do wish the case was magnetic. Unfortunately, it's not, so you have to like force this stand. Sometimes it could like slip, which that kind of bugs me a little bit. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you subscribe, like, and comment. You know I love to talk to you guys and I love making videos. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.